afternoon. I am going to show you today how to go in and set your Class Connect sessions for our map testing in January. First thing you need to do, obviously, is go right in here to your OLS page, and you want to create a Class Connect. All right, I'm just going to go straight on in and go ahead and create our class just like you would any other time. Want to be sure you click small group on this one. And then we're going to type in our session name. So I'm going to be a fourth grade teacher underscore map underscore reading. And then it will not matter which subject you choose. Just go ahead and choose one along with the course. And program is the same as we've done before. Click continue. Choose the correct date. And time. Right, and I'm going to go ahead and just set mine for 2 hours just to be sure, because I want them to be able to come back in if they get kicked out. And it's never going to repeat, so then I click continue. All right, once I'm here, I want to be sure I click select a role. I'm going to choose student, and I'm going to go to first grade class. All right, and let's say that's because I'm going to be testing some first graders, so I'm going to click first grade class, and when I come to school, I'm going to do classrooms for selected teacher. I'm going to choose select a teacher, and since I chose first grade, let's go ahead with Miss Atwood's class. And I want to choose her homeroom. I click search, and all of her students pop up right there. So let's say that I'm assigned to test starting with Gilbert. I'm going to click on Gilbert's name. I can scroll down to the next person that I'm supposed to be testing, maybe all the way to Rivera. So I'm going to hold my shift key, and notice it highlights all of them. So then I can easily move them over here, click required, and now they're all there. You can go back and just double check, but we're putting our list in ABC order, so it will help and make that easy for you. And you've picked up all of her students there. So then all you do from there on is click continue. And here is your session. So all you have to do to end it then is hit schedule session. Hope that helps.